Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. Every now and again, a fabric collection and pattern marry up to just be such a visual treat. And Garden Path does that. This is a beautiful quilt designed by Brenda Riddle with a collection from Henry Glass. And you can see this combination that looks so scrappy with a very interesting kind of ribbon border is just eye-catching. I can see that being in so many rooms of my house, and I'm sure you can too. Here's the opportunity for you today. That fabric is literally being printed right now. We got some early yardage to put the project together, and you have an opportunity to reserve your kit limited. As always, you know that by now. If you've been quilting for a while, it's not like these commodities that are forever available. Fabric has such a limited lifetime that you don't want to pass opportunities by that really speak to your heart. So we're giving you the opportunity to reserve your kit for just a $10 deposit and the perfect backing right here for just $5. Once the fabric comes in, we get super busy getting everything cut, carefully folded and assembled, bill you for the difference, and head that your way. This is a beautiful quilt, as you can see. I love the scrappy look about it. If you're a beginner quilter, you've never made a quilt before, here's the good news and the somewhat bad news. This is not a beginner quilt, but here's the great news. We are going to film a tutorial on showing you exactly tips and techniques on how to make this block, including blocks out here, so that if you are a beginner, still get this kit. Just put it aside in a very special place. You'll be able to watch the tutorial with Tammy, stepping us through this process. You'll be able to practice. Maybe you can buy some inexpensive scrap fabric and just practice. Then, once you're proficient, you can put this together and have the same beautiful quilt to display in your own home or maybe give as a very special gift. On the table are the things that we use to make our quilt here, with the most important ruler really being the 5.5. Tammy wanted me to call this attention to you that we're going to be using this extensively in the construction of the blocks, and she's going to show us exactly how to do this in conjunction with the spinning mat. During the assembly of this project, we discovered perhaps some techniques that were even more efficient, easier to do than perhaps what was included in the pattern. And Brenda Riddle, who's a lovely lady, has graciously allowed us to include some additional instructions that show you our approach to how is that put together. And we'll be talking you through that again in that tutorial. Anytime you're doing just patchwork, a lot of things come into play. Sizing. Before you cut your fabrics out to the measurements inside your pattern, you're going to want to give a good sizing, and I'm sure Tammy will talk about that too. Pressing everything out beautifully. Get that fresh blade in the rotary cutter. You deserve that to have the cleanest, straightest cuts. And of course, you're going to want to have a new needle in your sewing machine. Grab your patchwork pins. And for me, I love those aids that help me hold true to my 1/4" seam allowances. And that's the diagonal seam tape, the seam guide setter, and even the seam guides that just kind of lock that in. And of course, any other notions you might need, some good thread. We definitely used an Aurifil on this one. But the most important thing, as you've all learned by now, is to get on that list. Make that deposit today, just $10 for your quilt, $5 for your backing, and it is so worth it. The 76 by 76 inch quilt is just so beautiful, and I can imagine as we wash it, it gets kind of draw up. That's the type of quilt you want to just grab for movie night, and you're going to share that with a friend. So reserve your kit, your backing. Grab any notions you know you might need, and if you haven't already subscribed, do that right now. That way, when Tammy releases the video showing you how to do that, you'll be the first ones to know. I look forward to seeing you soon on another Shabby video.